Welcome to our tutorial on how to add GIFs to your photo on Instagram with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device, providing you with the tools to enhance your photos with animated GIFs. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start creating a new post. Select Story at the bottom of the screen to share your photo as part of your Instagram story. Capture a new photo using the camera feature within Instagram, or choose an existing photo from your device's gallery. Once you've selected the photo you want to enhance, tap on the stickers icon located at the top of the screen to access the stickers and GIF options. Tap on the GIF icon and then select the GIF of your choice by tapping on it, adding a touch of animation and creativity to your photo. Tap Your Stories at the bottom of the screen to share your photo with the added GIF as part of your Instagram story, allowing your followers to view your visually engaging content. By following these steps, you can easily elevate your Instagram stories by incorporating animated GIFs, making your posts more dynamic and visually appealing. Utilize these features on Instagram to bring a touch of fun and vibrancy to your stories, making your social media presence more engaging and expressive. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in demonstrating how to add GIFs to your photo on Instagram with the latest updates. Start sharing your animated creations with your followers, and make your Instagram stories stand out.